Welcome to the best picks. The best kids sheet masks is probably one of the most fun and effective ways to pamper your little one's skin. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of kids sheet masks, exploring their benefits, and helping you choose the perfect ones for your children. From hydrating formulas to adorable designs, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your kids' skincare routine a blast. Get ready to discover the secrets to happy, healthy skin for your little ones. Number 5. Epielle Mystical Safari Face Mask 6-Pack. Introducing the Epielle Mystical Safari Face Mask. This fun and unique mask features adorable animal designs. It's perfect for making self-care a playful experience for everyone. Each mask is packed with skin-loving ingredients. They are designed to address different skin concerns, providing hydration, moisture, and soothing effects. You'll love how it makes your skin feel. This mask is formulated to be gentle and safe. It's ideal for sensitive, dry, or combination skin. It's a soothing treat that everyone can enjoy. This mask is made without mineral oil, parabens, or petrolatum. Plus, it's not tested on animals. You can feel good about using it. Experience the power of K-Beauty with this mask. It's made with high-quality ingredients for effective hydration and nourishment. It's easy to use at home. Looking for a great gift? This mask is perfect for skincare baskets, spa gifts, or stocking stuffers. It's a fun and thoughtful self-care treat that anyone would appreciate. What we like? If you are looking for a fun way to make skincare a blast, this mask is perfect for you. With its adorable animal designs, it turns self-care into a playful experience. If you want to give a gift that's both fun and beneficial, this is the ideal choice. What people say? The masks are super cute and my daughter loves them. The masks are easy to apply and remove. They are gentle on the skin. Number 4. ZealSea 7-Pack Face Masks, Natural Skincare for All. This kit includes 7 masks, each with natural ingredients like aloe and green tea. They target different skin concerns, providing hydration and radiance. It's designed to make every day a different experience. These masks are perfect as gifts for women, teens, and kids. Each one delivers a soothing and rejuvenating experience. It's a delightful addition to any self-care routine, suitable for all ages. Whether you have dry, combination, or acne-prone skin, these sheet masks are a great choice. They're free from alcohol and parabens, making them suitable for all skin types. The gentle formula nourishes your skin without causing irritation. Made from 100% pure cotton, the mask sheet is biodegradable and gentle on the skin. It's designed with the right thickness to comfortably adhere to the face, ensuring it holds rich essence for effective absorption. Loved by influencers and skincare enthusiasts, these sheet masks are a must-have. Share your glow and join the trend taking social media by storm. Experience the buzz and discover why everyone is raving about these fabulous masks. What we like? If you want a different experience every day, this is the one for you. With 7 different masks, each targeting different skin concerns, it offers a diverse and effective skincare routine. If you are looking for a gentle, skin-friendly option, you should consider this. What people say? The masks are super cute. The masks are easy to apply. The masks are a fun way to get kids to relax. Number 3. MAREE Collagen Facial Mask with Hyaluronic Acid. This collagen face mask helps skin feel soft and supple. It maintains hydration with collagen and hyaluronic acid, supporting a refreshed and glowing look. Made from natural bamboo fiber, this sheet mask set offers a comfortable fit. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, making it a great addition to any skincare routine. Enjoy the luxury of a facial without leaving your house. This collagen sheet mask combines marine collagen and hyaluronic acid to deliver a soothing, rejuvenated feel. Turn self-care into a ritual with these colorful face mask sheets. This pack is both enjoyable and effective, offering a hydrating experience whenever you need a boost. Crafted to the highest standards, this facial mask is a reliable choice. Discover why it's loved for its hydration and comfort. What we like? If you are looking for deep hydration and a spa-like experience at home, this is the perfect choice. Infused with collagen and hyaluronic acid, it leaves your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. If you want a gentle mask suitable for all skin types, this is the one for you. What people say. The masks are super cute and fit my daughter's face perfectly. They are easy to apply and remove. The masks are gentle on the skin. Number 2. Peach Kids Face Mask, Spa Day Kit for Girls. Introducing a fun, pink ballerina mask. This mask is designed to make skincare feel like a joyful dance party. It's a delightful way for kids to care for their skin. This moisturizing and soothing face mask gently hugs the skin. The mini size is perfect for kids, allowing them to stay active while the mask works its magic, providing both beauty and fun. Made with 100% pure, LOHA certified cotton, this mask is treated without chemicals, ensuring it's safe for children's skin. It's crafted with 87% natural ingredients and EWG green grade ingredients, and has passed skin irritation tests. After cleansing, apply toner. Then, take out the mask and place it evenly on the face, avoiding the eyes and lips. Remove it after 10 to 20 minutes and gently pat the remaining essence to help it absorb. This mask is recommended for children aged 4 and up. The mask sheet size is specifically designed to fit children aged 4 and older. What we like. If you want to make skincare fun for your kids, this is the perfect choice. The ballerina design adds a playful touch, and the mask is made with natural ingredients. If you are looking for a mask that fits comfortably and is safe for sensitive skin, you should consider this. What people say. The masks are super cute and fit my daughter's face perfectly. They are easy to apply and remove. The masks are gentle on the skin. Number 1. LANITO Animal Spa Masks, fun facial masks for everyone. Introducing the LANITO Animal Spa Masks. This playful mask features 6 adorable animal designs: panda, koala, puppy, lion, dolphin, and bird. Get ready to transform and have some fun. Perfect for spa parties, birthdays, or girls' nights, this mask will make you the star. Designed for adults, it's also fun for kids. Get ready for some unforgettable moments. Looking for a unique gift? This facial mask is sure to bring joy to your family and friends. It's a fun and thoughtful present that everyone will love. Enriched with plant extracts and sodium hyaluronate, this sheet mask hydrates dry skin, leaving your face smooth and radiant. It's fragrance-free, color-free, and free of harsh chemicals. Plus, there's no animal testing or ingredients. Use this skincare mask on holidays or at parties. Put it on with friends and capture some fun photos. Enjoy creating memories with your loved ones. What we like. If you want to have fun at your party, this is the perfect choice. With its lovely animal designs, it turns self-care into a playful experience. If you are looking for a mask that can hydrate dry skin, you should consider this. What people say. They're a bit big for their tiny faces, ages 4 to 9, but you just need to tuck in all the right places and they fit fine and are too funny, and didn't both my daughter's super sensitive skin. They have helped make her face so soft and silky that we have been keeping the packages after using the mask so that she can use the extra cream inside morning and night. It was very nice and easy for her to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.